still have the major eligible. Oh my God, do it. Please do it. Please do it. What's up, you guys?
What's up, guys?
Jackpot Impossible here.
Jackpot Impossible here.
We are gonna go to what has now become
one of my favorites.
I'm very surprised about this.
I know, me too.
Puff and more puff.
Yes. And we're gonna hit a jackpot, okay?
You think so?
I think so.
I don't believe her.
Let's do it.
So subscribe and find out.
Please subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys.
Erica's new favorite.
It's my new favorite. Let's do it to it.
3 of those.
We did a good job.
Yeah, with Big Slaughter.
With Big Slaughter. He was with us doing a live stream, so if you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna leave it down below.
Definitely.
I believe he was lucky, right? Like in this casino. I hope we still have some.
We retained
of his luck.
Some of his luck.
Yeah. I believe it. Okay. Let's do it. 6 hats.
Or 3 of the sauce.
Yes, that's what we need. We can do it. Okay. Can we still have the luck?
Ooh.
Oh, 3 hats away.
Ah.
Oh.
Down 50. Fast.
Can't believe it. 2 more hats. Gone. You saw it, right?
Oh yeah. Oh.
$1.20.
We needed more of him.
Yeah. Do you guys have any luck on this machine? Because I think the luckiest that we got was with him, actually.
Yeah.
On this machine. Oh, half more puff.
Dang.
Dang. 3. Oh my God. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Ooh, okay.
It's, not an easy game.
Not an easy game. You're right. Huh.
Hey, at least I can say you picked it.
I didn't pick this one. Well, I said this one, but I mean the machine.
We can try a different one. Let's try a different one.
Yeah, let's try a different one, guys. This is the moment. This is the one. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, 240 back. Hats. Oh, hats. Come on, hats. Or the feature. Munchkin. Ooh. I think it's because you guys didn't hit the like button. If you do it right now, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get something. Right now. Oh my God. This machine is making me sweat.
Yep.
Come on, sweat machine. 2. No. What do you guys think? What's the biggest win that you had?
3, 1, freaking head.
one more. There's no way. Oh my God, it was up there. I can't believe it. Unbelievable.
Well, I mean, these are like some of the hardest games to get bonuses on.
What do you guys say? Everything is possible.
I hope you are right.
Oh no. No, 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 no. Don't you want me, baby?
We need something $200.
Take that, you stupid baby.
Hey, not yet. You don't know.
Okay, I'm not celebrating. Okay,
But
I'm
maybe
not gonna
we should.
celebrate anything. Ooh, I need root trigger right now.
Yes, please.
One more.
All right, 2 more right there at least.
We need to re-trigger 3 hats. We do. Oh my goodness.
Now we need all those re-triggers to come.
What? Yes. Okay, we got the re-trigger. We got the re-trigger at least. Come on now. Come on now. Come on
We
now.
need 3 right here. Okay,
There you
we got
go.
a gold.
All right.
Keep it up.
Woo. 1 gold so far. We need more golds, please.
Yes, please.
And more re-triggers if you can.
Yes. 1 more hat. Nice.
Yes. 5,
All
guys.
wood.
Let's go. Let's go. This is the way to do
We have a
it.
lot of opportunities for gold here.
More hats?
We need 3 hats, please. Ouch.
All right.
At least we got wood here.
All right.
It's a little bit
All right. We got the first bonus here at least with just 1 mansion. Yes. Do your magic, baby. All right, do it now.
Be a miner under the mansion.
Please, miner. Yes, we do need that miner. We need the miner. I don't want to see.
All right, we're up to 75, or almost 65. All right,
Okay.
plus 50. All right,
All right.
it's over 100.
All right, we got the mini.
$115.
We got the mini.
Maybe we can get another one that's bigger.
Let's get another one. Let's get another one. Okay, this is doing better. Oh. That was painful to watch.
That was. It was painful to spin.
Yeah, we need another one. Maybe that feature right there.
Yeah, the buzz saws.
Yes. Buzz. All right.
3.
Oh,
Oh,
just 1 more. That was
there.
wrong. I do believe we can get another bonus. What do you guys think?
I hope you're right, babe.
I hope so too.
Yes.
Told you.
Fist bumps.
Told you.
All right, mansion
Told
feature. Mansion feature.
Mansion feature. Mansion feature. Mansion feature. Mansion feature. Go. Go.
Pretty, please. Oh no.
It's gonna be mega hat
No,
feature.
no.
Mini.
Oh, keep going.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's $100. That's it. It's over. It's all right. We're back to. Dang it. I mean. 3 more.
There you go.
right.
Almost back to back. Give me that 5. Let's go, baby. Okay, now is the time, guys.
For mansion.
Now is the time for the.
Mansion. Or major. Oh no.
I think we're getting the
No,
buzz.
we're getting buzzsaw. That's
Yeah.
better than mega hat.
Yeah, we're okay. Can you be good, please? Be good. I think we can do it. Come on.
Because we got all of these are woods.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good.
Okay.
It's not a terrible start.
Magic.
All right, let's go. 3.
Other hat. Come on. We need retrigger, guys. We do. Hit the like button, please. That brings us log. Oh no, we need it. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Hats.
We need the hat.
3 hats right here. All right, we got a gold. Hey, we got a gold.
Okay, just 1. 2 more. Ooh,
All right, we got a gold though.
Okay.
And this was a very, 2 spins later? 3 spins later?
Very good, very good. Please, please. He's coming, guys. All right.
It's like 20, about 20. All right, we're up to 37.50. All right, that's another 37.50.
Okay.
So we got
All right.
$75.
Money is money. Win is a win.
Yes. Another one?
I want the mansion.
I really want to experience that feeling.
Yeah. Oh, because we never got it.
No, it's very difficult to get.
All right, guys.
3.
This is getting serious. All right. Oh my God, come on.
Are we going to 200?
Yes, I think 200.
Since we've already hit 3 bonuses.
Yes, and I'll take my win.
Your evenness.
Well, my evenness, this is a win because you're not losing.
Yeah.
It's still a winning. If you're not losing anything, this is still a winning.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Yes. One more.
Oh. Ooh, just 1 away. All right.
Or 150? What do you want to do?
All right, let's do 150.
It just seems so active.
Three more. Oh my God. Oh, I feel like it can happen again.
Three more right here.
Oh, we're getting there. Come on. Another one. Ooh. Ooh.
Last one, just because we're close.
All right.
All right. That's too unpredictable of a game.
Yes. All right. Nick's saying we can get a major jackpot on this machine. I hope he's right. I totally hope he's right about it.
We don't play this that often. Last time we played it, it was really good to us.
Yeah. It was Pelican Pete, right?
Yes. Train. That would have been a sweet start.
Oh my God, we can do it, please. 150. Come on, coin. I hope you guys having a good day. Good.
Train, 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 train. Oh. Train.
Night. A good weekend. Oh my god.
640. Come on, train.
No. What do you think, Nick?
I'm hoping. I'm being hopeful. That's all I can do.
Train was
Right there, look, that's the Grand Train.
there. Guys, unbelievable. Oh. Nothing? I feel it's coming. What do you think?
I think so. Oh, that was the moment.
I do believe
All
that
right, we got
was the
16
moment.
bucks for that. Really
Winning
like
is
a bonus.
winning, yeah.
$16 for that.
All right, $16 again. Good. Oh my God.
Train? I'll even take it with $2.
Are you guys like? Do you guys like this
Luxury line. Ooh, there we go, 36 bucks. That's helpful.
machine? Hit the like button if you do. Because we need the good luck.
Yes.
We do need the good luck in this machine because I don't know.
Coins. I'll take any kind of bonus.
We need the train with numbers.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Guys, we have the membership back. So if you want to check it out, we really appreciate it because we want to do more live streams and that will help a lot.
It's very helpful.
Yeah, it's really, really helpful.
Come on, coins.
Come on, coins. It's giving us like a line hits,
Yeah.
but it's not giving us any bonuses so far.
No bonuses. I think one's coming, but normally by now it gives you like the...
At least one, right?
Yeah, like the...
Any kind of bonus. Oh my God. This version of Billy
It's being very...
yeah. It's being very tough.
Very tough.
It's being very tough.
Oh, we got $15.
Thank you, Billy. Now,
Oh, train there would have been nice.
Yeah. Do you feel like changing or staying?
Staying, and we're gonna pick the train bonus.
We're gonna stay.
We're going for it.
Okay.
Green. Please, green. Please, green. Put a train here. Oh my God. Put a train here. Put a train here. Okay, we still have the major eligible. Oh my God, do it. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it.
Okay.
Please do it.
Okay, guys, I'm
put
sweating.
this up a little
I'm
bit.
sweating. Okay. I can. All right. He's doing it.
Please do it.
Guys.
Please do it.
Guys, please.
It's a really high major for
Please.
this bank of machines.
Please. Major.
Please do it.
Please.
I like how we're both in praying stances right now.
Please, Major.
Please do it. Do it right here.
We're done?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah, I think we're done. That didn't happen.
Yeah, if you get the train here, then it adds that up and does it
That
again.
didn't
I can't believe
happen.
that landed though. Oh my gosh. Maybe we still have an opportunity for it. We're back to about even.
That was a roller coaster.
I didn't tell you, but that was the secret reason why I picked this one.
Because of the major?
Yeah, look, they're all $891.
Yeah, this
it's
is
$3,478.
$3,478.
I was like, if I'm gonna lose, I'd rather have a chance at losing. I mean, like winning something big. Give me the coins again.
That was exciting.
Extremely. Just take all the money in my pocket, stick it in there.
For the major. You
Till I
want to
get
chase
it.
the major? That's not a good idea.
It's an awesome idea.
What do you guys think?
I keep seeing it go by too. Come on, train.
We can't do it.
Wow, I can't believe that actually landed too.
Yeah. And you mentioned it. That was crazy. Like green.
Yeah, one more. I'll pick trains again.
We need something now. That is crazy. Like that.
It keeps going by too.
That kind of like number for a major.
Train. Train, maybe?
No. That is so funny. Oh, nothing. Coins.
Train.
Train.
Damn. It's like doing a lot. That's why I'm like, oh.
Yes. We need that green train again, guys. We do need it. I think we're gonna get it.
I'm hoping it just rewards persistence of the same bet and everything. $6.
Buffalo.
Wow. That was like probably the most excitement I've felt on a slot in a while. All right, 5 of a kind elk.
360. Come on. Oh, coins. Come on, coins. I need to get my first major of the year. I mean now, if you can. Oh no, machine, come on. Coins. Ding. Now. I think, Nick, you're chasing this major.
I mean, you blame me?
No.
We can still get a bonus. Oh, okay, $60. Yes, it's keeping us alive.
He's really happy. That's just save him.
That allows us to continue after this.
Chasing your major?
Yes. I feel like it's gonna reward persistence. I don't know why. I just feel it, babe.
He's feeling it, so I like that. No trains.
So we either need the green train to land here and then a train, or the green train, a star, or we need 3 coins.
Yeah.
There's 3 different ways of doing it.
Or we can keep getting this big line hits.
Yeah. But I mean, you can't get the major without
No,
a bonus.
yeah.
Coin.
Please.
I'd almost rather have a coin in that sense. Come on.
Cash Express. No, oh my god. Where are you, coins? Where are you? Oh.
Another big line hit, maybe?
Maybe that will help a lot right now.
This game is being weird, you guys.
Yeah.
It's got like weird vibes. Maybe that's what, I know that's what it's designed to do, but.
Like this fake hope.
Yes.
Sometimes it can be right.
Like, remember, okay, we got a little bit. You remember that time with Autumn Moon, we like felt something?
Yeah, you're feeling it right now? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, I don't know why. And it's not like we've gotten a bunch of bonuses. We've gotten several large line hits.
Yeah, that helped.
And I mean, come on.
Oh, do it to it, do it to it.
Keep us in the game.
Coins. Oh, coins, 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 coins. Train with nothing. Oh my god, guys, we're
down to it. That was it.
That was it. Yes. Yes.
75-cent spins, ultimate comeback. It's over. We got some bonuses. It was pretty good in there. I definitely see the potential of that game. It's a lot of fun when you do get a bonus. We had some amazing ones earlier tonight, so we wanted to go back and try it. And then I got a little crazy.
That luxury line, guys, it was crazy.
I didn't tell her at the beginning because she's got this like, I don't want to play maxed out majors or like really high majors.
I don't like
feel like
chasing this money at all.
But that train landed. It landed.
Yeah.
And I thought we were gonna get it. I was like, I was confident, more so than I am now, because we didn't get it.
But well, it is what it is. If you like the video, please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for being here.
Help us
Leave
out.
in the comment, please leave it. Like, what was the question?
What's your biggest win?
Yeah, what's your biggest
on
win?
Huff and More Puff?
Yes, please.
And
let
have you
us
ever
know.
gotten a major on Luxury Line? I want to know that.
Oh my god, that kind of major. Please leave it in the comments. Thank you so much, and let's see you in the next one.